Welcome home to Brook Road in Quincy. Here we have a spacious one bed with beautiful hardwood floors. As you enter, there's a very large coat closet. This is the foyer area here. This is the living room. Very spacious. Hardwood floors, gas heat, forced hot air radiator. Excuse me. Steam with the radiator, I apologize. So you have a very large living room. Here you go into the bath. It's not a super updated bath, but it's very spacious. It does have a tub. Okay. Here we enter the kitchen. This is a formal little separate dining area here. This is the pantry. Very large bedroom, can accommodate a king-size set. There's also a shared deck in the back. I'll show that to you. A little yard as well. You're about 15 minutes walk to Quincy Center, so great location, good closet space over here. It's a very nice apartment for the price. Here's the kitchen. Doesn't have a dishwasher, but good cabinet space. Does come with a gas range. A little island here. This is the tenants, but it gives you an idea. If you want some outdoor space, again, you're about 10-15 minutes walk to Quincy Center train station. There is storage in the cellar and coin-op laundry. This is a shared deck, just you and the tenant next door, which is a single person. Imagine coming out here having your morning coffee. Pretty nice. Nice and quiet. Alright, this is one of the least expensive one bedrooms in Quincy, priced very aggressively. Again, downstairs you have storage and cellar. Storage in the cellar along with coin-op. This is the dining area here. Again, your kitchen. You have a large bedroom, separate pantry area. Here's a kitchen, comes with this fridge, full-size stove, all hardwood floors. Very nice.